Now, we are also joined here today by our next guest of honor, Mr. Kamal Arora, who's the Senior Director Sales Government for Dell Technologies Commercial. May I request Mr. Arora to deliver his address, please?
Namaskar and hello everyone. It's an honor to be part of this event, having chief guest, Honorable Chief Minister of West Bengal, Ms. Mamata Banerjee, Dr. Rai, Mr. Dhruva, Dr. Ghosh, Mr. Siddharth, and esteemed panelists, and to have you all here today. This year, we are focusing on accelerating digital, and I hope this convergence of ideas helps you realize why digital is the only way forward for businesses of all sizes. With everything going the digital route, there is no denying that regardless of a company's vision for the future, it must include digital transformation into its strategy. We know that innovative technologies were already making headways into different industries, enabling businesses to move up in the digital world. But then COVID-19 happened. And what was supposed to take years had to happen in only a few months or less. We got to witness and evolve with the rapid pace of digitalization in the face of global disruption. And today, it's obvious that technology is no longer a choice, but a fundamental business strategy that must be integrated into every part of a business. IDC had predicted that by 2023, 90% of organizations worldwide will prioritize investments in digital tools to augment physical spaces and assets with digital experiences. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies can enable better collaboration within and between organizations, bringing in higher employee innovation and productivity, and more accurate insights from data. This helps businesses accelerate their digitization goal and puts them in a better position to spearhead the digital future and gain a competitive edge. Let me elaborate how more accelerating digitalization can empower businesses in today's dynamic market environment. The first being empowering your people, which means workforce, empowering them to be more productive no matter where they are working from. Currently, workforce engagement is one of the hot topics, especially while dealing with both remote and in-office workers. Employers are looking into new ways of create a productive environment, and this is where digital technologies play a very important role. Businesses need to invest in the right technologies and solutions to enable the workforce to work, connect, and collaborate from anywhere, and ensure business continuity in this hybrid age. This also calls for organizations to have very robust strategy on cyber resilience. Improving customer experience takes center stage in today's dynamic ecosystem. Customers are tech savvy and prioritize brands and businesses that harness the power of technology. Adopting digital is not just a way to increase the efficiency of the business, but also improve the services offered to the customers. Moreover, being able to digitally serve different types of customers also reflects a better way of doing business. Businesses can improve customer satisfaction and loyalty by making things easier and more streamlined. The next priority for business today is streamlining operations. Now, it is probably one of the most critical part of the businesses when it comes to accelerating digital technologies to transfer business operations, help business transform the administrative process, which implies seamless managing multiple processes, projects, and more. This is where relying on one technology partner helps in saving costs, time, as well as efforts, enabling the leaders to focus on more strategic priorities. Lastly, data and analytics allow organizations to make better and informed decisions. Accelerating digital means placing data and analytics at the center of the digital transformation strategy. Businesses today generate huge pool of data, especially with the adoption of more and more connected technologies. With the right set of analytical tools, businesses can convert this data into valuable business insights, leveraging it to make quicker and more informed decisions. Here, leveraging AI-powered technologies can be also the key to tapping into the potential big data. To put it all together, it's easy to see why digital acceleration is paramount for businesses, especially in the evolving world environment. At Dell Technologies, we are empowering our customers and partners by equipping them with industry-leading technologies and solutions to steer their digital journey forward. We are at the forefront of accelerating digital, empowering businesses across industries, as well as empowering people to realize their full potential. And with this 20th edition of InfoComm, we hope to help you deep dive into how we are enabling India's digital story. Thank you very much and wishing you all the very best.